Best tire for your Emoto? I think so.
A couple bolts and your front wheel comes right out. Debead the tire and get that crusty dusty tube out of there. Remove the tire from the rim. Grab the freshies that have been baking out in the sun. Start reinstalling the new tires. Then I installed a heavy duty tube. Made my way around the bead, then I rolled it up. Now to put the bike back together, put all your bolts back, grease your axle, and then torque everything down to spec. Same process for the rear. Old tire comes off, new tire goes on. Now it's time to see if you should get Shinko 241s on your e-bike.
What up, YouTube? Shinko 241s. Are they the best tire for your Surron? Are they the best tire for your Emoto? I think so. Ride Pro, MX5, anything that has a staggered wheel setup, so something that has like an 80-100 in the rear. You can go with the staggered setup with these Shinkos. I decided just to keep them the same size. One, I didn't want to have to do any weird shaving off the knobs off the side. I just want something that would directly swap on. And two, 3.5 in these Shinkos are drastically heavier than the 2.75s. It's actually pretty comfortable and I really enjoy it. We found ourselves a little hidden gem, fam. That would be fucking gnarly. Oh yeah, that did really well. That was scary. Let's see if I can get up this hill. No problem. No problem, gang. That was cool. It's steep, boys. We can make it. We should be able to make it. Yeah, we made it. That was cool. Yeah. See, that's what I'm talking about, dude. It just fucking floats and floats, and that's fucking nice. Oh, yeah, we're digging. This stuff is like really soft pebble gravel. Oh, yeah, she's slipping and sliding everywhere, but she's making it. Overall, Shinko 241 is just the best all-around tire. Pumps are cool. Feels way more planted than it used to. That was cool. Simply just changing your tires alone will just make your bike feel totally different. And it'll perform so much better. Didn't want to commit to a full set of supermotos because I just like exploring around in this stuff. I just had to let that one spin. Tires feel great. What's up, dog? Yeah. Hansimoto and then Glendale. Appreciate it, guys. Oh, God. Oh, God. Let's go! No chance. What the fuck? Oh, 54, new top speed. So, lost a couple miles an hour, but well worth it for these tires. Well worth it for these tires. This is how you get the ultimate pass to ride your e-bike anywhere. Just don't be a dick. It's that simple. Don't be a dick, and you can ride your e-bike pretty much anywhere. Nobody says anything. Nothing. You just go incognito. Good thing we stopped. Shinko 241, best of both worlds tire. That feel weird. Told you, dude, I'm like ultra paranoid now. After getting a nail. That sucks getting stranded out here. Fully pitted hyper. Single track. Shinkos are rolling nice. Ooh, oh, that's sketchy. Okay, now we do some climbing on the Shinkos. They're such nice tires. I like them so much. The grass test, no issue whatsoever. Little bit of sliding when you give it too much throttle in grass, but as expected, still pulls like a freight train even with these heavier tires.
Boy, if you don't...
What up? Oh God. Yep. Not gonna make it. Oh, that kinda hurt my wrist. Not gonna let us stop us, boys. That did hurt a lot. Oh no. Okay, maybe we're not 100% Gucci. Oh, that one hurts. Yeah, I think I sprained my fucking wrist, gang. I got knocked in the face on some stairs. Oh, my fucking wrist. I think I'm done. Ah, that really fucking hurt. Fucking made it, boys. A little lip. Oh, victory wheelie. Pop on into here. Nice. Feel pretty good side to side. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, gang, well that's it for the Shinkos. No issues at all in the gravel, soft sand, pebble rock. No issues whatsoever. Yes, with that being said, I'm gonna go f off now. Yeah, baby, let's go. Oh, that was sick.